Ever wondered how black markets, often notorious and clandestine, could possibly be beneficial to an economy? You see, black markets, despite their dark and shady reputation, can sometimes play a vital role in an economy. They exist in the shadows, dealing in goods and services that are otherwise difficult or impossible to obtain through official channels. Picture a society where certain essential commodities are scarce or heavily regulated. In such circumstances, black markets can step in to meet the demand, filling the void left by official markets. They operate on the fundamental economic principle of supply and demand, providing goods to those willing to pay the price. However, this is not a blanket endorsement of black markets. Like any unregulated system, they come with their own set of problems, such as the potential for exploitation and the lack of consumer protection. But they do offer a unique perspective on economic resilience. So, do black markets always spell doom for an economy, or might there be a silver lining? To understand the possible benefits of black markets, we need to dive deeper into their effects on different economies. In the realm of developed economies, black markets can serve as hotbeds for competition and innovation. They can push legitimate businesses to improve their products, services, and pricing strategies to keep up with illegal competitors. Black markets can also spur innovation by creating a demand for goods and services that are not yet available legally, encouraging forward-thinking entrepreneurs to find novel solutions. On the other side, in developing economies, black markets can play an even more crucial role. They often provide livelihoods for individuals who might otherwise be unemployed, helping to reduce poverty rates. Additionally, they can supply essential goods and services that may be scarce or unaffordable in the formal economy, playing a vital role in sustaining the life of the community. However, it's important to acknowledge the potential downsides. Black markets can encourage tax evasion, reducing government revenues and undermining public services. They can also foster illegal activities from smuggling to organized crime that can destabilize societies and economies. As we can see, the impacts of black markets aren't black and white. They can be harmful, but they can also stimulate economic activity in surprising ways. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Black markets, while shadowy, can play a surprising role in economies. They can fill gaps in supply and demand, stimulate competition, foster innovation, and provide essential goods and livelihoods, especially in developing economies. However, it's crucial not to overlook their potential downsides, like tax evasion and fostering illegal activities. Therefore, while black markets have their dark side, they may not necessarily be all harmful to an economy. Economists and policymakers must constantly weigh these pros and cons to make informed decisions.